I'm using this Pinky Rose palette that was in my declutter, and I am giving it a second try. These three shades right here are all purple, one matte, two shimmers. I am going to use this to create a purple look. Today is March 26, and on March 26 it is March 26 is the global day for epilepsy, and Epilepsy Day is March 26, and it is called Purple Day. Purple Day, March 26 for epilepsy. So I'm using 3 purple colors to create this eye look. So the first color I'm putting down is a matte, and I will put that all over my eyes. And this lavender is called Care Bear. And the international color ribbon for epilepsy is lavender. So here is lavender. Lavender. International Epilepsy Day ribbon color, lavender. Lavender, first color down. Second color is a shimmer. It's a darker purple. And I am going to put it in the outer corner and head towards the center of my eyes. International Epilepsy Week is May 22nd to the 28th. I did a video on Epilepsy Awareness Month, which is March, and I will put that in the description box so you can see where I went in more details and explain epilepsy and their causes in that video. So please check that video out and leave your comments or questions in there. Epilepsy Day, let us remember the people who are suffering with epilepsy, because epilepsy affects a lot of people, and they suffer with seizures. My third color is this beautiful purple shimmer. I'm going to put it in the inner part of my eye and walk it back to the middle. Purple is Epilepsy Awareness Month ribbon color. Purple. These 3 shades of purple for Purple Day, March 26th. Purple Day to represent and to bring awareness to epilepsy. If you know anyone out there who's suffering with epilepsy, get them help. If they need help, be around for them. Show them love, kindness, and care for them. I will see you in another video. Bye.